Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink tokens in your Tangem wallet and want to transfer them to Bitmart for trading or other purposes, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, where crypto withdrawals are faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through the steps clearly and safely, so you can avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and your Bitmart account set up with two-factor authentication enabled. This is crucial for security in the crypto world. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your Chainlink holdings by selecting the link token from your wallet dashboard. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover the withdrawal amount and any network fees. Next, head over to your Bitmart account on a web browser or their mobile app. Go to the Deposit or Wallet section and find Chainlink link. Copy the deposit address provided by Bitmart. It's usually a long string of characters. Remember, always verify that you're copying the correct network, like Ethereum for Chainlink, to prevent any errors. Back in your Tangem wallet, initiate the withdrawal by selecting the Send or Transfer option for your link tokens. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review all the details carefully. Before confirming, check for any gas fees or minimum withdrawal limits. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction on your Tangem device. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Now, this is where patience comes in. Blockchain confirmations can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account for the funds to appear. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to avoid scams. If you encounter any issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Tangem or Bitmart support. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Chainlink from your Tangem wallet to Bitmart. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.